Spaghetti is my favourite. Seafood, yummy, tasty.
Today on the cruise,
Yum,
Peppa and her
yum.
family are at a very special type of restaurant.
This is a special type of restaurant called a buffet.
The restaurant buffet has lots.
Spaghetti is my favourite.
Right you are. But we mustn't take too much. We can always come back and get some more.
Oh, good idea.
Delicious. I can't wait to...
Finished.
Oh, you were hungry, Peppa.
Can I get...
Who's ready for Rick's famous spaghetti?
I love Spaghetti Thursdays!
Oh my God, Ricky! It's like it's better every time!
Hell yeah, you like that? That's some good spaghetti!
Grandpa Rick... I am skull emoji, but words.
Sauce? More sauce? Oh, we got the sauce!
Dad, you had a job interview, right?
Bombed it, but it's nothing a little bolognese won't cure.
This noodle is so tender. Spicy, a little sweet, a little spicy, a little sweet.
It's so nice that we're talking, you know? All talking because we're a family and everything, and this is a good time we're having. Is there any more?
Seconds, thirds, we spagats as much as you can spaghetti.
Aromas. This is what variety and love smell like.
What can stand liking aromas?
This is what variety and love smell like.
Will you cook it for more?
I thought you'd never ask. K.O., baby teeth, come, give me a hand. We have a lot of galaxy travels to feed.
Spaghetti? Easy. Time for an old Bashukovich family recipe. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Ding! Ding, ding! Some of these, two of those. Chop up some of that like that. Ding! Some of whatever this is. And Spaghetti? Easy. Time for an old Bashukovich family recipe. Presto spaghetti-o. Mwah! Just like a mama used to make. Order up! Mwah! Just like a mama used to make.